Right. So in today class, we'll try to understand uh, developing multiple classes in single Java file and multiple Java files. And second, Java 11 new feature, Java 11 new feature with respect to with respect to with respect to Java basics. Okay. So these are the two topics we need to complete in today class. Okay. So in last class we have learned some important points about Java programs, how to develop Java program. So based on that, we are trying to understand some more points, and I will conclude all in three questions. Then carefully observe developing multiple classes in a single Java file, and multiple Java files. So this multiple Java files concept is called what? Auto compilation and auto loading. Auto compilation and auto loading. Auto compilation and auto loading. So that is called developing multiple classes in multiple Java files. This is the point we need to understand. Okay. Now, third point. This is the today class agenda. Okay. Today class agenda. This is a 2 hours class. We are going to understand. These are the 3 points. So then after these 3 points completed, we can continue our, more applications development. Fine. So now, try to observe now. Tell me, I am writing one class called A, open bracket, closure bracket. All you people tell me, is this class name, Java file name must be same or not required? Is Java file name and class name must be same, not required? Not required. But there is a one situation, you must create Java file name and class name must be same. When you have to maintain class name and Java file name must be same. If you declare class as a public, if you declare class as a public, then you must declare class and Java file name must be same. If you maintain with a different name, now compiler will throw error. Try to observe. Now I'm trying to save this. Now I'm trying to save this program. I'll save this program and we'll test it out. Now I've taken class as a public. Okay, sorry. I'm saving this program with aa.java, some different name. Now compiler will throw error. Class A is a public, should be declared in a Java file with the name a.java. So if you declare class as a public, Java file name and class name must be same. Then you should ask me a question. Why? Why public class name Java file name must be same? Okay. Now it's the time we need to clearly understand. If you take a project, this is my project, let's say. If you take my project, how many developers are working in the project? Many, right? Many developers are working. Then next, how many classes we are going to develop in the project? How many Java files we are developing in the project? We are going to develop multiple Java files. Now, these multiple Java files, we are organizing as a concept called what? Package. We are organizing in a concept called package. All you people know programming elements concept, right? There is a concept called what? Package, na? Already know, package P1. So now we are organizing all these classes in the terms of what? Package P1. Then now I am trying to create one more package. In that package, now I am trying to create some more classes. First class and second class, like this. Then now this package and classes are developing by one developer. Now this package and classes are developing by another developer, let us say. Okay, two different developers are developing. Now this program, whatever the class code I have written, is going to accessed by this another developer. Let's say I am creating the class name, Java file name as ABC. abc.java, some name I have created, Java file name. Then the class name inside I have created with a name called what? Class A. Okay, with the name I have created class A. Class A I have created. Class A. Okay, so now I'm preparing the background for launching Java 11 new feature. So this is the basics. First you should understand this basic, then Java 11 new feature you can easily understand. You can understand, you yourself can answer all the questions in the Java 11 new feature. I no need to tell. Okay, so that's why please concentrate and learn. So now tell me, this class A contains background, the method called M1 or the variable called X. A lot of things are there. Now I am developing this class not for my sake. Okay, I am developing this class not for my purpose. I am developing this class to reuse by other programmer from his class. Okay, I am developing this program to reuse by other programmer from his class. Then with what name he has to use this programmer from his class? With what name he should access this class? With the name abc.java or with the name A? Jayasri, what is the answer? With the name abc.java, with the name A. What is the name? What the name I have to use? Class name or Java file name? Class name or Java file name? Java file name is not contain M1 method, Anna. Some people are telling that seriously. Java file name. Java file name doesn't contain M1 method. Java file name doesn't contain variable X. It's not C language, right? So it is Java where the variables and methods are available inside class A. So what I should write now here? Class name dot M1 method. Okay. Tell me now when you compile abc.java background, what will come? A dot class file is generated. Am I right? Now, when you call a.m1 method, compiler software and JVM software doesn't go into abc.java file. Compiler software and JVM software will go into a.class file. Yes, a.class file is already available, and then from a.class file, x variable m1 method is available reading. Okay. Now my question is, carefully understand. Now my question is, developer wanted to know the logic available in M1 method. Okay, this developer wanted to know the logic available in M1 method. Or in future, he want to do some changes, the logic available in M1 method. Okay, can you tell me? This developer is the one created this class A? No. He is just a user now. He wanted to see the logic. So tell me, class A is saved in a separate Java file called what? abc.java file. Is it easy for him to find where this class is created? Is it easy for him to find the .java file in which the class is created? No. So now tell me, why public class name and Java file name must be same? Why you declare class as a public? First you should know. Okay, if you declare class as a public, that means you are creating that class for other package developer to access. When other package developer is accessing, if you maintain class name and Java file name with a different name, other developer cannot easily find in which Java file the class is created. Okay, so tell me, why public class name and Java file name must be same? It is a rule given by James Gosling. Huh? Correct? It is the rule given by James Gosling. This rule reason, the reason behind this rule is not there anywhere in the books, is not there anywhere in the websites, is not there anywhere. Everybody will say only one point. There is a rule. If class is declared as a public class name and Java file name must be same. Why? It is a rule. Follow. You create like that. I told you I'll make you James Gosling also. That means I'll teach you the reasons behind the rules also. Okay. So I hope you realize that point. Now, why Java file name and a public class name must be same? Why you cannot change a different name? Two reasons are there. Two reasons are there. For other developer to easily finding, for other developer easily finding in which Java file the class is available. Second reason, for compiler algorithm, auto compilation, for achieving auto compilation. Okay, what the meaning of auto compilation? I'll tell you, that is the second point. Please try to remember it. So for two reasons purpose, the Java file name and public class name must be same. Okay, then if it is only the auto compilation reason, observe, if it is only the reason for auto compilation, why non-public class name and Java file name no need to be same? Okay, auto compilation is not only reason for other programmer to easily finding. So public classes are meant for other programmer to access. The other programmer should know in which Java file the class is created easily. For that, these are the two reasons why public class name and Java file name must be same. Everyone understand? Right, tell me now. Now again I'm asking question. If I declare class as a public, Java file name and class must be same. If you try to maintain different name, compiler will throw error. Point number one. Why public class name and Java file name must be same? Why not the different name? If you take public class name and Java file name different name, then other programmer cannot find in which Java file the class is created. It creates problem to them. That's why public class name and Java file name must be same. Okay, why non-public class and Java file name no need to be same? Why non-public class name and Java file name no need to be same? Because non-public classes are meant for accessing by you. You are the creator, you only accessing. You know in which Java file the class is available. So that's why public, non-public class name and Java file name no need to be same, because you are the creator, you know. Tell me, Baba, you know your house where it is there, na? You know, right? You know your house where it is there. So the address of the house, no need to tell to anybody. You can go to your home. Now tell me now, in your house, where is washroom is there, you know, right? In your house, where is the washroom is there? Where is the bedroom there? Where is the kitchen there? You know. Do we need to add any boards to them? This is a washroom, this is a bedroom, this is a kitchen room. Not required. Within the package. When you want to access something within the package, no need to write any boards. Tell me, you go to shopping mall. In shopping mall, where is the washroom there? Do you know? You don't know. Those are the public washrooms. So that's why if you carefully observe, in shopping malls, there is a big board will be there. Washrooms, right? Restrooms, like big boards with the symbols will be placed, right? Why? Because they are public washrooms. Other people should access. Other people should know where they are available. So should not be hide from the people. That's why the name, the washroom name and their name will be same. Got clarity? Yeah, I given real time example also for you to get clarity. Okay, public classes means must access by all. So Java file name class name must be same for easy accessing. And next, now Java file name non-public class name no need to be same, because they are accessing only for you to access privately. So no need to make Java file name class name same. Clear? Right. In auto compilation, again I'll discuss this point. Okay, fine. I'm declaring this class as a public. Okay, fine. Then next, yesterday I told you, in a single Java file, I can create multiple classes. Tell me, can I declare multiple public classes? Come on, come on. Can I create multiple public classes? No. Why? Public class name and Java file name must be same, na? Which public class name must be there? Compiler keep throwing error. Let us try to test it, okay? Let us try to test it. Save it, save it. Now, for clear understanding, for easy understanding, let me try to come back to command prompt, okay? If I use command prompt, okay, this topic easily understand. So now open command prompt, right? Some programs will execute from edit plus, some programs will execute from here, from edit plus directly. From some programs will execute from here. Java C, now what? A dot Java, we will get compile time error. What is that? Class A is a public, should be declared in a file named A dot Java. Okay. Now go here, save Alt FA, A dot Java. A dot Java, I am saved. Then come to command prompt again. Come to command prompt again, and then like let us try to let us try to compile Java C A dot Java. Look at there. Now I'm getting error. Class B is public, should be declared in a file named B dot Java. Oh, then What to do now? Compiler software came inside and verifying class A is there or not. Yes. What is this class A? Public. Then Java file name is public. Okay, matched. Then going down, class B is there. Or class B is there was public. Then is it matched with that? No. Then now compiler software is throwing error. Okay, clear screen. Java C a.java I am writing. Then throwing error, class B is public. Oh, okay, let me save. Now I'm saving with what name? b.java. Then come back here. Clear screen. Java C, not Java C, Java C, Java C. Java C, b.java. Then what happened? Compiler throwing error. Class A is public. Should be defined in a file named a.java. Okay. And then next. Now compiling. Now I'm saving with the name what? Alt F a.java. Then now come back to command prompt. Run Java C a.java. Hey, lifelong what you do? Lifelong what you do? You compile Java program. Lifelong what you do? You compile Java program. A.java error change to B.java. B.java change to A.java. In lifelong you are changing names only. And tell me what the solution to this problem? Anyone can you give me what the solution to this problem? What I should do now? What is the solution to this problem? Remove public. I want B should be public. I want other package programmer to access this class B. It should be public. Should not remove public, Nana. Bro, you should not say that I'm feeling headache and okay, remove headache. Remove head. Can you remove head? I'm feeling headache, sir, and remove head and how can you a good doctor? Okay, you should give the medicine, right? And tell me what I should do. Simple point, parameter. Sir, how can I give parameter to the class, sir? It's not a method to give parameter, Baba. It is a class. How can I give a parameter to the class? Tell me. Problem is related to public. What the rule on public? Public class name and Java file name must be same. Oh, then cut here. Create another Java file. Problem solved, na? Create another Java file. And in that Java file, save this program with the name what? b.java. Everyone understand with the name b.java. Problem solved. Two separate Java files. Okay, two separate Java files. J.java contain class A as a public. B.java contain class B as a public. Tell me now. Go to here. I want to change the messages here to run and see that. For that, I'm changing message. B main, save it. And then here I'm writing A main. Sorry. Here I'm writing B main. And here I'm writing A main. Tell me two Java files are ready. Then what to do? Come to command prompt. Compile Java C a.java. A.java file contain only a class public. Then compile successfully. Dot class file created. Java A executed. Output coming A main. Clear screen. Java C b.java. Then run it. Compile successfully. And then Java B. Now what is the output coming? B main. Everyone understand how can I create multiple public classes? What should I do to create multiple public classes? To create multiple public classes, you have to what you do? You have to create separate Java files. Tell me, just now I told you, in a project, I need to create multiple Java files. Tell me, sir, I have a question. What is the recommended approach in the projects? Okay. You want me to create all classes single Java file, or you want me to create each class in separate Java file? Which approach is a best approach? Which approach is best approach? All Java files in a single Java, all classes in single Java file, or all classes in separate Java file? Which is the best approach? Separate Java file is the best approach. If you create in a separate Java file, we will get what advantage? What advantage we'll get? Okay, so if you try to create in a separate Java file, other programmer can easily find in which Java file the class is there, and also we will get auto compilation. Auto compilation. Automatically compiler software can compile all your classes. Are you catching my point? So it is 100% recommended to create each class in a separate Java file, even though they are not public. Even though non-public classes, you have to create one class, one Java file. Okay, that is the recommended way of that. Okay, tell me now, before you get married, your parents and you, parents and children will be there in a same house. Once you get married, what are you doing? You are separated from the parents house, you are constructing your own house. Then on this house your own name will be coming, your own identity will be start, right? So initially you don't have any identity. Now later you are getting your own identity, your own address, everything. Every person should have their own address. Initially your name will be there on no parent, okay, ration card that time. Then after you get married, your own family, then you are getting your own separate ration card, right? So same story in Java also. I hope you got clarity. Then if anybody asks why we need to create one class per Java file, one Java file, one class, why? For easy finding where the classes are available and for achieving auto compilation. Okay, everyone understand, I hope. Then now I wanted to ask a question, sir. If I take a project, in the project I am creating thousands of classes now, sir. Okay, thousands, lakhs of classes we create, not even thousand, we'll create lakhs of classes. If you take a project, we are creating lakhs of classes, 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 9 10, like that, n number of classes, n number of classes we are going to create. Then the question is, sir, if we create a number of classes, how to compile all these classes? I should open command prompt and each class I should compile Java C, Java C, Java C, Java C. Each class should I compile? Okay, not required, not required, not required. We have a special syntaxes. Now it's the time we need to learn. If I create multiple Java files, how to compile those Java files? We have special syntaxes. Observe, we have special syntaxes. This is a command prompt window. Java C, I want to compile one class. Okay, that Java file name a.java we write. Okay, I want to compile, I have 100 classes in my Java file, means 100 Java files. Here onwards, if I say 100 classes, now you should say what? 100 Java files. I have 100 Java files in my class. Then what I write now? Java C. Among these 100 Java files, only 3 classes I want to compile. What do you write? A.java space B.java space C.java. Okay, na? Okay, na? Understand my point? I have Java C A.java, then only A.java file is compiled. Now, if you write Java C, no, sir, at a time I want to compile 3 Java files out of multiple Java files. Very good. Now, mention each Java file name like this. Okay, sir, like this individually out of 100 Java files, I want to execute some 20 Java files, sir. 20 Java files I want to run. Tell me, every time should I type 20 Java files like this? A.java, B.java, C.java? Not required, not required. You need to use one special syntax, that is Java C @ syntax you must use. What the syntax? @ one text file name you must mention. One text file name. Okay, .txt extension text file name. You can take the file name your wish. Anything you can write, ABC, BBC, CBC, anything. For understanding purpose, I am writing src files. src files and source files. Source files .txt. Java C following by @source files.txt. Then Java C command will go to this source file.txt file. It access this file. Go inside this file. Inside this file, you are going to mention Java file names, each one at a time like this, right? First A.java, B.java, C.java, D.java, whatever the 20 Java files you want to compile, all 20 Java file names, just names you typing and saving, and every time you are reusing just like that. So that means after this command, before running this command, what you must do? You must first of all create a file. Okay, you must open Notepad. You must open Notepad. This is a Notepad. You must open Notepad. Feel it is a Notepad. Open Notepad. In Notepad, okay, Notepad feeling I'm giving to you. Close. Minimize. And maximize and restore. Now this is Notepad with what name? src files.txt. src files.txt. Inside this src files.txt, now I am typing the file names. Okay, whatever the files you wanted to compile, all the file names you are going to save here. Clear? Then what happened now? Whenever you give this src files.txt to java c, then what the symbol you have used? At the rate. The meaning of at the rate, compiler, don't compile this file, compile the files available at this file, in this file. Okay, so now compiler software will search for source files.txt found, and then going into this file, inside this file, a.java file available, searching for a.java file, and then generates what dot class file. Okay, generates dot class file for it. A dot class file is generated. Again repeating, a dot class file is generated. Then compiler software move into the next dot java file, b dot java file, searching for b dot java file in the hard disk, and found it, and generating what? B dot class file. Everyone understand the flow? So how can we, when my project contain multiple classes, okay, multiple java files, multiple classes, how can I compile them? Right? So now if you wanted to run this program, if you want to compile multiple java files at a time, what should I do? I have to create a command something like this: java c at the rate src files.txt. When you write, then what happened? Compiler software going into src files.txt file, there it is going to compile each java file one at a time, and finally generating all dot class files. Everyone understand? Got clarity? Yeah, all people got clarity? Yeah, where this src files.txt file must be saved? In a C drive. Where you have to save this src files.txt file? In C drive. Bangar kontra nuvu. This file you have to save in the same directory where your java files is saved above. In your project directory you have to save everything. Come on buddy, use some common sense before asking question. Don't use hands. Every day I am telling, still you are using the same story. Before you are using the keyboard, 1 second give the time to your brain. Where I should save src files.txt? Wherever java files you save, there only you have to save src files.txt. Let me show you them. How you people completed btech without minimum common sense? Yeah, common sense is very important. I told you, no. Look at there, class public class c, save. Now come to command prompt, clear screen. Now I have A, B, C, 3 Java files. They may be public or maybe non-public, doesn't matter. Remove the public. Public means only Java file name and its name must be same, so that other programmer know where this class is available. Only that much. Okay, I'm not going to use that. Now, public or no public doesn't matter for us. Then tell me Java C. I want to compile only a.java. Then what you write? Java C a.java. Compile dot class file k. Now I want to compile both Java files, a.java and b.java. Okay, right. So now Java C.Java, B.Java. Then now tell me what happened. Now program compile. Look at that. 2 .class files are created. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll delete all .class files. Class files. Java C, A.Java, B.Java, C.Java. Then now tell me what answer you are getting now. All 3 .class files are compiled successfully. Right. Every day morning I'm coming back and retyping this big command. It's very tough for me. Then what are you doing? Open notepad. Okay. Open notepad and then type Java file name a.java, b.java, c.java. Okay, a.java, b.java, c.java. Save it, save it. Now with what name? src files.txt. src files.txt. Save with the name. Look at there. It is saved in the same directory, Java basic same directory. Then now save it. Then close. Okay, come to command prompt. What is the command you need to run? Java C src files.txt. If you write, it will throw error. It will throw error. You are asking to compile src files.txt. Okay, so src files.txt not understandable to compiler. Compiler understand only .java extension. Then you have to write what? Java C. Compiler, sorry, don't compile text file. Compile the Java files available at text file at the rate src files.txt. Look at there. You are getting output a dot class, b dot class, c dot class. Once again, I wanted to show you. Delete them and then look at there. 3 dot class files are generated. Everyone understand what the different ways you can compile Java programs? Okay, different ways of compiling multiple Java files. Okay, then next point, try to observe. Okay, now try to understand now. Now I'm going to have, I'm going to have multiple classes. Let's say there are 1,000 classes are there. Out of 1,000 classes, if you ask me to compile all 1,000 classes, this is situation is when src files.txt when situation out of 1,000 classes, I want to compile few Java files every time. Few Java files every time. Then in that case, I have to go this approach. I want to compile all 1,000 classes every time. Then in that case, we have another syntax. What is the another syntax we have? Observe. The another syntax is Java C. I am telling to compiler, compile all Java files available in this directory star.java. Okay, Java C star.java. Compile all Java files available in this directory Java C star.java. Then all classes are compiled. Observe now. Going to command directory once again, and now clear screen, Java C. What I'm writing? Star.java. Observe. Let me delete first these dot class files. Delete these dot class files, and I need to delete this aa.java also. Observe now. A.java, B.java, C.java, example.java also. Okay, example.java also compiled. Java C star.java. Look at there. Now look at there. All 4 dot class files, all 4 Java files are compiled. Okay, all 4 Java files are compiled. Look at their first program dot class also came. So if you run Java C at the rate source files src files.txt, only 3 Java files are compiled, we mentioned. Okay, but if you run star.java, then all Java files available in the class will be compiled. Are you catching my point? Jayasree, only for knowing you generated or not, I am deleting every time. Now if I run here, how can I show that generated, not generated? Tell me, I compile it. Dot class file generated or not generated? I know generated, but how do you know generated or not if I don't delete? Come on. Yes or no? If I delete, then when I run this command, you will see. Okay, na? You will see a dot class is came. If I use this command, Java C at the rate source files dot Java, you will see the command. Oh, it is working now. Dot class files are generated. Right? Where is that? If you use this, okay, dot class files are generated. Now, if I use this command, tell me, generated or not generated, how do you know? Every time timestamp has to check. Right, timestamp within the minutes, within the seconds. If I compile, how can I see the timestamp? Now it is a 7:43. Clear screen. Okay, then I am immediately compiling everything. Now a dot Java. 743 only coming. Look at that. Understand? Every time the new dot class file overridden. But what the point you need to understand? Generated or not generated, I should show you. Okay, next. There is another point I want you to understand. Okay, then another point I need to understand. Sir, I have 1,000 Java files, sir. I don't want to compile all 1,000 Java files. I want to compile the Java files whose name starts with A. Okay, whose name starts with A. I want to compile whose name starts with A. How can I compile? I'll do one thing. I wanted to copy some programs from. So I want to copy some programs from another directory to your folder for quick understanding. I'll explain you all these programs also later to you. Just I am copy from there. Replace the files. Okay, these many Java files are there. Okay, these many Java files are there. Now I wanted to compile all these Java files. How can I compile? Tell me. All these Java files I want to compile. How to compile? Java C, simply star.java. There is an error while parsing print and printf demo 2.java. Line number 4. Okay, observe there are no dot class files. There are no dot class files. Java C star.java. This class is available multiple plus. So this is the one of the rules I have to tell you, but it's coming out. Okay, I'll do one thing. Where is that? Multiple classes dot Java. I'll delete it. These are all the rules. Okay, I will tell you all these rules later. First, I wanted to make you understand because all these points we tested in that another batch. Okay, now Java C star.java. Look at there. Now, still errors coming. Empty.java. Fine. Now all errors are solved. Please try to observe now. Clear screen. Java C star.java when you write. Now what happened? All Java files available in this folder are compiled. Okay, everyone got clarity? Yeah? Okay, all people got clarity of this syntax? Then, now the question. Sir, I don't want to compile all classes, sir. I want to compile only the classes with some pattern. The classes whose starts with A only I want to compile, sir. Then what you write? A star dot Java. Okay, I want to compile classes whose name ends with A, sir. Then star A dot Java. Sir, I want to compile classes which contain A, either at beginning, in the middle, or at end. Then you write star A star dot Java. Star A star dot Java. Okay, A star dot Java, star A dot Java, star A star dot Java. Okay, this is called pattern matching. Pattern, okay, regular expressions, pattern matching. So if whose name starts with A, contain 0 to n number of characters. contain 0 to n number of characters. Only a.java compile, ab.java compile, abc.java compile. Then star a.java 0 to n number of characters may be there at beginning, but before dot a must be there. Then that Java file will compile. The next before a n number of after a n number of characters can be there, then but at least a must be there. Where that a must be there? A must be there either at the beginning or in the middle or at last, anywhere can be there. So then now that Java file will be compiled. So now try to look at these Java file names and tell me what Java files are compiled for each command. You should be able to identify and tell. Okay, now come to the point now. Now look at their clear screen. Okay, some people may get confused because confusion masters now, you are the number one confusion masters. Sir, you are telling only a, it will work only with a now. Any character you take, just example I am taking a above. Okay, for example I am taking now if I write Java C a star dot Java, look at there, a dot Java compile. Look at there, A is available here. CS and NS dot Java compile. Escape sequence A is there. Example A there. Folder path A is there. Name A is there. A is there. P dot Java not compiled. Print and printf demo compiled. It is compiled. It is compiled. Print and okay. Except P dot Java, remaining all are compiled. Oh, sorry. Yeah, correct. Sorry, sir. I wrong explain. I'm sorry. I was explaining about a star, a star. Okay, sorry. Okay, now here only a star dot Java compile only first Java file. A dot Java file only compile. No other program compile. Yes. Sorry. Okay, then next. Now I am trying to delete it first. Okay, I'm deleting the existing dot class file. You people don't use this delete command. Instead of deleting star.java, you will delete star dot. Instead of deleting star dot class, you will delete star.java. Don't use this delete command, okay? So don't use delete command. You go and delete manually. Okay, right. Delete star dot class. I'm deleting. You don't try Buja. You don't try. You go to folder and delete manually. Don't show your talent. Then once delete is working, permanent delete. There is no recycle bin. Now I am trying to compile star a.java below star a.java. What happened? Tell me now. Ends with a. Is there any Java file ends with a, 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 ends with a? No. Okay, nothing. So no dot class file create. Hey, again we committed mistake. Again we committed mistake. That Java file starts with a, also ends with a. Okay, again we committed a mistake. Okay, the a.java file starts with a, it itself is ends with a, na? Single character is start and end, right? That's why many times I used to say, think like a compiler. So you following your own algorithm, then you'll get wrong answers. Think like a compiler. That is very, very important. Okay. So I hope you got some clarity, right? Next, tell me now. I am deleting again the dot class file to see whether dot class files are creating or not. Okay. Delete star dot class. Then next, tell me. Now I'm going to place. Next command I'm trying to place star a star dot Java. If a is there, then it will compile. Okay, if you write star a star dot Java, it will compile. Tell me, except p dot Java, except p and q, there are two things are there: p dot Java, q dot Java, and next b dot Java, c dot Java. Except these four files, 1, 2, 3, 4. Except these four Java files, remaining all Java files are compiled successfully. Look at that. Okay, now everybody comfortable with this syntaxes? So I want you write it so that you will remember. Can you? I want you write it. I'll show you. Quickly write fast so that we'll go to the next point. Today we need to complete these new features and all. Please write down compiling multiple Java files. Different syntaxes for compiling multiple Java files. Syntax for compiling different Java files. These are the basics for Java 11 new feature to launch. If you are comfortable with this, then only you can understand Java 11 new feature. Yeah, A star A means what? It must starts with A and must with A. And how many minimum characters must be there? Star dot Java. A star means compulsory one character A. Star A compulsory one character A. Star A star compulsory one character A. A star A means how many characters must be there? 2. AA.java or ABA.java, ABCA.java. Minimum 2 characters must be there. You can take any name here. No need to be SRC files. Just understanding purpose. Your name is your name. For understanding purpose. Names are meant for only for quick understanding purpose. You can choose any name. Jayasri, A star A means not in the middle. The file should starts with A and ends with A. Minimum 2 characters must be there in the file. A. The Java file name must be either AA.java or ABA.java or ACA.java or okay na what do you call uh, any character. The Java file should contain minimum 2 characters A and A. No, this is the basic feature, basic concepts, basic Java concept. These are nowhere related to Java 11 feature. But Java 11 feature, to understand this knowledge is necessary. This is a regular topic, regular Java topic. Java 11 feature, to understand this is basic knowledge. Yes, This is the basic Java concept available from 1.0 itself. These all ways of compilation is coming with up from 1.0 itself. Completed? Right. I hope you will try. Okay, try with all these features. I mean, try with all these options. Try all these options, then you will enjoy. Okay. Now I want to ask a question. Try to think. One more question I'm asking. Try to think. This is my class. Okay, let me close this once again. I will. One minute. Let me close all these things. Deleting all .class files. I open a.java file. Okay. In a.java file, I'm creating our own user-defined method, static void m1 of open bracket, closed bracket. Then system.out.println of. Okay, system.out.println of. I'm writing m1 of m1 no param. Yesterday I told you parameters arguments. Remember? Did I explain yesterday? Tell me. Now I'm trying to write same method name. Is it allowed or not allowed? Come on, Anna. Come on, fast. Is it allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Compiler software will throw error because it's become duplicate method. You cannot create duplicate method. Okay, m1 method is already defined in class A. Look at that. Compiler software not showing only method name. It is showing including parentheses. How to pronounce? You must not pronounce as m1. You must pronounce as m1 no parameter. Method m1 no parameter method is already defined in the class A. M1 no parameter, pronounce as M1 no parameter. This concept is called signature. Signature, the complete signature. The signature must be different. Either name must be different or parameters must be different. Okay. Now I'm writing int x. Then this is called what? M1 int param method. Control 1, compile successfully, right? Control 2, but only main method is executed. Okay, only main method is executed. It will not execute m1 m2 methods. Tell me, can I create one more m1 method? Can I create one more m1 method with the two parameters int x? This is I want to call m1 1 int param, m1 1 int param. I want to call m1 2 int params method. And tell me, is it allowed or not allowed? Compile successfully. Now tell me, x variable already defined in m1, so we should take the parameter name as what? Y. Now look at here, look at here, look at here. Very interesting point. Thank you, compiler. Thank you, compiler. Look at there. So tell me, yesterday I said this is also a variable. Some trainers are not considering it as a variable. How many types of variables? And there he's confusing the people, saying that three types of variables are there in Java. Number one, static variable. Okay. Number two, instance variable. Number three, local variable. Local variable. That trainer is not including what do you call this parameter variable, and people are confused, and whatever I am telling, people are feeling wrong. Arre tumri fellows, wake up. Okay, I strictly follow compiler software. I strictly use a compiler software word. Okay, tell me, the original name is instance variable or non-static variable? Tell me, original variable is instance variable or non-static variable? Instance variable is alternative name. The original name is not instance variable, Rababu. Okay, look at there. Now I'm writing int x semicolon. Let's say some int p semicolon. Inside I'm trying to write plus p. What the compiler throwing error? Non-static variable cannot be referenced from. Look at there. Non-static variable p cannot be referenced from. So the original name is instance variable or non-static variable? Non-static variable is the original name and instance variable is the alternative name. Okay, so okay, finally, because of your batch, I got one clue to prove that it is also a parameter. parameter. This variable is also, it's a parameter, but it is also a variable. So Java supports totally how many types of variables? 4 types of variables. What the 4 types? Not 3 types, 4 types. 4 types of variables, including parameter, static variable, and second one is what? Static variable, instance variable, parameter, local variable. Okay, it is also variable. Look at the compiler software using the word variable X already defined. You cannot create again. Okay, fine. So wake up, wake up. Now let me delete this. Sorry, sir. I want to take it as a y into y. Then m1 2 into parameters compile successfully, executed successfully. What is the output coming now? Main. Only main. These methods are not executed. Everyone got clarity? Yeah? So if interviewer asks a question, how many types of variables are there? You must say 4 types, not 3 types. If somebody says 4 types, 3 types parameter is not a variable, ask them, please give me your laptop, I will prove. Final variable is a type of variable under static. Main type, you must talk about main type. Final variable should not consider as a type of variable. That is a special quality of the variable it is. Person is a type. How many types of persons are there? 2 types. Okay, actor is not a type of person. Actor is a quality. Student is a quality. Okay, now come to the point now. Okay, now my question is here. I want to call this M1 method. How can I call? Without giving any argument, right? Now control 1 compile, control 2 executed, output is coming M1 no para method. Next, now I am trying to call M1 of, I want to call second method. What I should do? Pass argument 5, compile successfully and executed successfully. Output is M1 1 int param. Next, now I want to call second method. What are it? 5 comma 6. 2 arguments I need to pass. Control 1 compile, control 2 executed. Now M1 2 int param. Tell me, clearly I told you this concept is called defining multiple methods with the same name but with a different parameters, type or list or order. This concept is called what? Method overloading. Do you remember? Yesterday we discussed it, again reminding. Method overloading. If I overload a method, and if you want to call that method, is any confusion to the compiler because all the method names is same? No confusion to the compiler because compiler software doesn't consider just a name, it is consider arguments also. So based on the given argument, respective parameter method is executed. Here I am giving the argument, no argument, so no para method executed. So if you give here 5, then what is executed? If I give 5 here, what is executed? Int parameter method executed. If I give 5 comma 6, what is executed? 2 int parameters method is executed. So that is the clarity I want to give. I hope you got clarity now. Next question I'm asking, Baba. Next question I'm asking. Try to answer now. Here in this class A, I am not defining main method. I created a class called A. In this class A, I'm not defining main method. Now I am creating separate class called B. In this class B, I am defining main method. Public static void main of string array args. Public static void main of string array args. Okay. Inside this main method, can I call A class methods? Can I call one class methods from another class? Can I call one class method from another class? Is it possible to class? Is it possible to call one class methods from another class? Array public required only when package concept is there, Nana. Public is required only when package concept is there. Do you have any package concept? No, na. As long as you are no package, all are belongs to same package, na. So public is not required. Can I access class A method from class B main method? Yes. How? If within the class you call with the name M1. If you want access in another class, if you want access from another class, if I write M1 parenthesis semicolon, and tell me, program compiler, not compiler. Program compiler, not compiler. Not compiled. Compiler software get confused and throwing error. What are you doing? Cannot find symbol. Method M1. Where? Class B. Class B. Compiler software can search only up to class B only. Look at here. When you call a method without any reference here, before M1 method, I have not used any reference here. Okay. I have used only method name. Then that means you are telling to the compiler, access this M1 method definition in current class, same class. If there is no reference, sir, what the meaning of reference? I'm not understand. Reference means dot before some name. If you don't write a dot, if you don't write a dot, then now you are informing to the compiler access this m1 method within the same class. Tell me, in the same class m1 not available, hence compiler throwing error. Now cannot find symbol method m1 in class b. If you want to access from another class, what I should write? A dot m1. If I write a dot, you are giving information access no parameter m1 method from dot means what? From class A. Okay, dot means three words will come. What the three words will come? In, from, any word according to the English word. From, belongs. Okay, right. So any of the three words you can use, any of the three words you can use as per your English statement. Okay, and from which direction you should read? From which direction you should read? Right to left you should read. How to read? No parameter m1 method access no parameter m1 method from class A. Execute search. If you use the word called search no parameter m1 method in class A. Execute no parameter m1 method from class A. According to your English statement you should use no parameter m1 method is belongs to class A. However you want to use, you can use. Then compiler, no confusion. Compiler doesn't have any confusion. Compile successfully, and compile successfully, it will be executed successfully from that class. Look at that, Java C, Java B.Java. Look at that output coming m1 no parameter. Na? Tell me, if you wanted to access one class methods from another class, is it possible? Possible. Should I declare it as a public? Not required, because it belongs to same package. So you are accessing m1 method from the class B, which is available in the same folder of class A, not different folder of class A. So public is not required. Everyone understand? Tell me, how can I access int parameter method? By passing 5. If you pass 5, then what happened? Int parameter method is executed. Look at that, m1 one int param output is coming. Next, if you want two int param to execute, you should pass two arguments, then executed successfully, and compile successfully, executed successfully. Sir, I want three methods to execute, sir. Okay, call her by three methods. Sir, should I call in the same order? In the creation order only I should call? Not required. Any order you can call. Zigzag order you can follow. No problem. Your wish. In which order you want to execute those methods, in that order you must call. Compile successfully, executed successfully. Two into no param, one param. Your wish. Any order you can call. No objection. Everyone understand these points? You need any notes for these points? Babu, are you expecting notes for these points? Are you expecting notes for these points? If you are expecting notes, please dictate the notes. You please commit suicide. You are not eligible for software industry. Okay? You are not eligible for software industry. Please immediately commit suicide. Hey, don't commit suicide. I'm just joking. Are simple points. You can try after class yourself. Okay? If you speak along with me, you will understand all these points. So if you are not speaking, silently you are watching like a movie, then it creates problem. Okay? Compiler verifies syntaxes. JVM allocate memory. Who will execute? That person should allocate memory, right? Who is eating? While eating, you should prepare the food. Today preparing food, tomorrow you don't eat, right? When you wanted to eat, that time you are preparing the food. Okay? When you want to execute, that time memory required. For compilation, only syntaxes required. If syntaxes are correct, bytecode generated, stored. Compiler never generate memory. That's a wrong statement created by many people in the industry. Okay, do you understand up to now? Shall I launch horrible story? Shall I launch a horrible story? What's the time now? 8:15. Still more 45 minutes. Shall I launch a horrible story? Now, in a single Java file, three questions I'm asking, sir. Three questions I'm asking. Three questions are horrible now. Very much horrible questions. In a single Java file, in all classes, can I define main method? Already we discussed yesterday. In a single Java file, in all classes, can I define main method? Yes. If I define main method in single class in all Java files, at a compilation time, compiler has any confusion? Does compiler has any confusion? Does compiler has any confusion? No confusion. Does compiler has any confusion? No confusion. Compiler software don't know about main method. Okay? Compiler software don't have any confusion because it is meant for only checking the syntaxes. Tell me, does JVM has any confusion? Why JVM has a confusion? Is JVM executing all classes at a time? Mr. Rajesh Kumar Tharia, you are confusing. You are the confusion masters. Sweta, is JVM has any confusion? It has a clear algorithm. You don't have a clear algorithm in your mind. That's why always you confuse. You people are confusion masters. Everything coming, any new question is coming, immediately, no, I confuse. You are giving instruction to your mind. Hey, it's a new point. Confuse. Then brain will be confused. You give the instruction slowly, point by point. Okay, if I give multiple main methods in a multiple classes, and if you go on to compile, with what name you compile? Java file name. What the name of the Java file? Java C a.java. When I compile, okay, when I compile Java C a.java, compiler software will go to a.java, checking for first class. Yeah, available. Is it a public? No. Okay, ignore the rule and then go inside. Check the syntax of this entire class. If everything is good, then generate a.class file. A.class file. Then now move on. Next B.class. Is it a public class? No. Then go and check the syntax. Then finally generate what? B.class. Tell me, the A class main method is stored in A.class file. B class main method stored in B.class file. Compiler software clearly generated separate .class files. My dear confusion masters, is it clear? You are the best confusion masters in the world. Compile successfully. Separate .class files are generated. Then tell me, Java command is taking Java file name or class name? Class name. What the name of the class? What the name of the class? A class. Main method executed from A class. Java B. Main method executed from B class. Output is coming B main. Budget topic. Simple topic. Yesterday we discussed your Gajnis forgot. Again confused. Okay, na? Now, I'm asking the next interesting question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Now tell me now. This topic is new topic. You don't know yesterday. I can call a method, our own user defined method from our class. Okay. How I am compiling a Java file name? What is the name of the Java file? What is the name of the Java file? A.java. Take that A.java. Java C A.java. What is the confusion there? I told you many times from the day beginning of our batch, I am telling to you, you are not changing your mind. You are not changing your mind. You are keep on asking questions only, but not concentrating on thinking. What the meaning of Java C A.java? Compile A.java file. Compile a software going to A.java file. From first line to last line, everything it will compile, na? First line to last line, everything compiled, right? It found a class A, compiled, found class B, compiled, found class C, compiled, found class D, compiled. Understand? Still confusion. Here one person there, here one person there. Now this person is ready to eat food. Now what he will do? He's taking one plate. This is a plate. How he will eat food? I'm taking Indian food. Okay. Then now first he's taking rice, white rice he's taking. Then next curry is adding, mixing, eating. How is eating next to sambar? Again, continuing na? Continuing. This is single Java file. In a single Java file, first rice and curry, A dot class, A class, class A. Then next, now rice and sambar, B, rice and pachadi, C, rice and fry, D. You continue eating, no? Compiler also same way, continue eating till last line. And now next, E dot Java, and now taking the rice and last curd and eating, completed, throwing this out, finished. Again, you are sticking to your point only, you are not trying to understand my point. Okay. So you keep with your problem, I cannot help you. You are compiling A.Java. In this class, as many classes available, those many classes are compiled. Namaskaram Talli. If you have separate Java file, separate names will be there. Separately, you should compile. If you place everything in a single name, you can use either A.Java or B.Java or C.Java or any name.java. Okay. So you are only working on confusion only. I cannot help you anything. Okay. So you are confusing every time. One new point is coming, old points you are missing. New point coming, old points you are missing. You are not working, coming on clarity. You are confusing by your own. Okay. You are confusing by your own. If you give one Java file to the compiler, in the Java file, as many classes are there, those many dot class files are created. If you separate those classes in multiple Java files, in that Java file, how many classes are there? One class, then only one dot class file generated. Okay, so that's your problem. I don't know how can I make you think in a correct manner? Really, I'm worrying. A new topic started, old topic coming, again confusing. So come on, stop. That's why I'm telling from the day beginning. Mummy, if I take both classes as public, then error Talli. Understand? If you both declare as a public, then error. If you don't take as a public, no error, na? That's why I'm telling. Yesterday points, previous points, you will forget. And then coming to new point, confusing. What I am stressing, that point you are not taking. Unnecessary stuff putting in your brain. What I told you, public. If the two class names are public, cannot create in a single Java file. If they are not public, can be created in a single Java file. Then which class is executed? Whose name you are giving, that class will be executed. Java A. If I give Java A, then A class will be executed. If I give Java B, B class will be executed. That's what I'm telling. You are only focusing on asking the questions. When I am explaining this point, you are asking a what question? No, sir, in edit plus, how can I execute at the rate source files? What I am trying to explain, you are not concentrating. You are asking all future coming questions are unnecessary questions. That's why you don't remember all the points. Focus on my explanation. Focus on my explanation. Focus on what point I am stressing. Then you will understand, okay? Don't try to go to the next points or some other points. Focus on the point what I am stressing and trying to explain. Okay? You are experienced, I am experienced. You got that question means, don't you feel I got that question? Tell me. Just try to think. All the people try to think. When you are planning to ask one question, try to think. Don't you feel that question come to me? You are after all bacha fresher. Now you started. I started Java 16 years back. Right? Next question what I should ask. Next question what should I ask? Next question what should I ask? This is only your mindset. What is telling, how to understand, how to remember, how to store in my mind, not that is not there. Concentrate on what I am telling, concentrate on what I am telling, concentrate on what I am stressing. Try to put them in an order in your mind. Don't unnecessarily create new questions. Now come to the point. In a single Java file, we can create how many classes? One public class and multiple non-public classes. Yes or no? One public class and multiple non-public classes we can create. One public class, multiple non-public classes we can create. If you want to create a multiple public classes, you have to create multiple Java files. If you create multiple non-public classes, you have option. Either you can create in a single Java file or you can create in a separate Java files. Clear? Understand? Now, try to observe, try to understand my statement. I will not teach you just 1 or 2 points and leave. Okay, I will not just teach 1 or 2 points and leave. I will always stress on a point called confusion. Clear my point? Until all confusions are clear, I'll keep on talking on the topic. So that is way my style of teaching. So a number of confusions will come, but every confusion will be cleared if you remember the base point. If you remember the base point, then every point is easy. I'll go many cases I will cover on a point. Then only interviewer asking any question, future coming, any concepts you can understand easily. Otherwise you will be going to die like anything. So again, repeating the two questions. In a single Java file, I can create multiple classes. Among them, only one public class is allowed. Simple. If you want to create multiple public classes, you have to write separate Java file, separate classes. Right. So now, currently I'm creating one Java file with multiple classes. You have to carefully observe, is there any public? No public. Hence, now the Java file name can be any name. No need to be the a.java, can be any name. Let me save with the name alt F. Okay. Confusion.java. I'm saving with what name? Confusion.java. Okay. Confusion.java, because we are the confusion masters. Okay. Java C, confusion.java. Then compile successfully, because there is no public class. So if I create this class as a public, then compiler will throw error. What? In confusion.java, there is a confusion. What is that? Class A is a public, should be declared in a file named a.java. Okay, now I am removing public. Then compiler software doesn't have any rule applied now. Then when you compile this program, Java C command will come to confusion.java, going inside class A. Class A is a public? No. Because class A is not public, Java file name, no need to verify. Now it is a compiling and now generated a.class. Then moving on, next point is going, next step. Then it is found next class. Now it is the end of this. And again finding, first rule it is finding, is it a public? No, it's not a public. Then because it's not a public, then Java file name, class name, no need to be same. Then now it is a compiling this class and generated a.class, b.class. 2.class files are generated. Okay, na? Then with what name I should compile? With Java file name or class name? Class name. Java A main. Java B main. Okay. I want to ask one question. All you people are BTech students? Any 10th class student, 10th class high school level students? In your batch, in this batch, any high school level students are there? Okay. No high school students? Wonderful. All are BTech students? BTech, MCA, postgraduate, na? Very good. Wonderful. Masters. Okay. What do people do after class completed? Okay. After class completed, I'm requesting you all, watch this video. Okay. Watch this video. Watch this video from the time, from the time 1 hour 47 minutes, 1 hour 17 minutes onwards. Okay. Okay, now 1 hour 17 minutes onwards. Okay, observe. 1 hour 17 minutes onwards. Let me share the computer sound to you. Okay. Then type there Java. Are you able to hear his Java voice? C. Are you able to hear what my name you have? Voice other Java C tab. Press it tab. Press it tab. Onwards. What name coming? Check. Student.java, college.java coming like this. Student.java coming. Student. What the dot class file name created background?
Sir, created sir dot class file student1.java. Student1.class file.
Student1 dot class created a capital S or small s?
Small.
Are you able to hear his voice? Are you able to hear his voice? Can you guess what is his age? Huh?
Small s, sir. Sorry, capital S.
Capital S?
Yes, sir.
Then type Java C college.java. College 1 or college whatever there. Run.
Sir, now compiled, sir.
Compile now? Okay. Delete both the dot class files.
Okay, sir.
Delete only dot class files.
Okay,
Delete
sir.
only dot class files. And then see college.java, press enter. 2 dot class files should created in my system. Check once in your system also should create.
Sir, done, sir.
Done, huh? Okay. Earlier maybe you didn't save it properly. What you are studying?
Yes, sir.
What are you studying?
In what, sir?
Studying. What is your qualification?
Sir, student only, sir.
Adema, what are you studying? BTech what?
Sir, school, sir. Small kid, sir.
Okay.
6th class.
6th class. Okay, na? He's studying 6th class. His name is Rohan Kartikeya. Wake up. Where we are, where they are. He's 6th class. Right? You know, in demo class, I told you, na, I have kids also there in my class. Learning Java. Kids also learning Java. They are doing miracles. This is small points you are unnecessarily confusing. Okay, now come to the point now. So today class, it's 8:30 already. If I give you chance to talk, Mr. Rajarajan, you will show torture to other students. You know, all the different sounds will come into the class. Okay. Now, there is a program problem. That's why I given a chance for him to speak. You are not Nana. You are a very good person. What about others? What about others? They are going on the road also. Okay, they are walking on the road and listening the class. Now, come to the point now. Come to the point now. What happened here? Class A has a main method. Please, Nana, please try to understand. Okay, please try to understand. It's my request. Okay, please try to understand. It's my request. Please. Okay, please try to understand what I am trying to tell. Focus on that point. Confusion points are coming now. 2 confusion points are coming. Please try to understand. Okay, don't put your brain somewhere else. Please concentrate on what I am trying to tell. Okay, don't go to some other place. Please don't go to some other place. Please concentrate. Now look at here. I am creating main method in class A. Okay, I have another class called B. Tell me, just now we have learned, can I call one class methods from another class? Yes. Then what the syntax I must use? Class name dot method name of arguments, right? Class name dot method name of arguments. This is what we are trying to write. Yes or no? Class name dot method name dot argument. This is the syntax. Then now, which class name method you want to call? A dot. Now, like M1, M2 methods, can I call main method too? Like M1, M2 methods, can I call main method too? Can I call main method too? Is it possible to call main method by myself? Yes, we can call. Why you can call? Because main method is also after all a method. Okay, main method is also after all a method. You can call. What the name of the method? Main. Main method is also after all a method. You can call main method also. A dot main of bolo a dot main of what I should pass? Argument. What the argument? Based on the parameter. What the parameter? String array. The parameter is what? String array. And tell me, string array. Array means multiple values. Array means what? Multiple values. Anybody can tell me multiple values and multiple copies of memory should create na? Multiple values is nothing but what? Multiple memories. Multiple memories as a group. I want to create multiple memories as a group. Which keyword I must use? In Java, you can create memory using two keywords, static keyword and new keyword, right? Static and new keyword. So tell me, which keyword I must use to create multiple copies of memory? New keyword. Excellent. What type of memory you want to create? Come on. What type of memory you want to create? String. What type of memory you want to create? String. New string. Now, how many memories you want to create? You have to specify. How many locations? Memories are called in array point of your locations. How many locations? Now this is my array object. Object means circle will come inside. How many locations you want to create? 1 2 3 4 that number you should specify. I am specifying 5. If I specify 5, how many locations array created? 5 locations. Okay, 5 locations array created. What the values in that 5 locations? Empty location, no value, because I am not assigned any value, just I created. You bought one bag. Okay, you bought one bag. Tell me, in the bag, what is there? Nothing is there. Later you will put the things. Currently array is nothing but array bag you assume. So in that bag nothing is there. Okay, now tell me, new string of 5. If you write new string of 5, how many objects created? One object. Of what type? String. How many locations? 5. What the values of that 5 location? No values, empty. So tell me, if you find a method with array as a parameter, what argument you must pass? Array object. What do you pronounce it as? Array object you must pass. Array object you must pass as an argument. Tell me, is this program now compiled or not compiled? Compiled successfully, no error. Compiled successfully. Then come to command prompt. Why I'm coming to command prompt every time? Again another confusion. Why I'm coming to command prompt every time? Why I'm not directly compiling in the edit plus configuration control 2? Only one class we can compile, either A or B, but I want to compile both classes, so you have to come to command prompt. Already we learned this point. Java A, press enter, output is coming what? A main. Tell me, Java B. If you're in Java B, what is the flow? JVM will go to class B and JVM calling main method of class B, because Java command run by using class B. Then inside class B, main method, B main displayed, and you are calling explicitly which class main method? A class main method. Then control will go to A class main method. Passed argument is string array. Searching for string array parameter method available. Its logic also executed. B main will come. So what is the answer will get? B main and A main. J3, understand the syntax? Any questions? Sometimes I will scold. Sometimes I will scold to control your mind thinking. So don't feel, you are scolding me. Okay, you are scolding me. I don't talk and I cannot help. Okay, you must keep on. I will scold you. Keep ask the questions. Okay, it's a good communication. Teacher to student communication is what? Scolding. Accept the scoldings, correct the mind, and go. Okay, so don't hesitate to ask the questions. Even though you ask the question, sometimes I'll scold to correct your mind how to think. Don't feel that that's scolding. Feel that correcting your mind thinking. That's it. Catching my point, right? So the relation between teacher and student will be what? Fisher and fisherman, huh? Right? There is a relation, huh? Right? Relation between student and child is what? Student and faculty is what? Scolding relation. Okay, scolding and correcting relation. Come on. All the people got clarity, huh? How to call main method? If inter ask a question, can you call main method? What do you say? Yes, we can call, because main method is after all a method. Hello, main method is after all a method. How can we identify your HK product in the inter room? Many times I told you, you must use some special terminology. That is identity to the interviewer. Your students, I mean, your seniors also there in the interview room. How can you say that I am HK product? I told you yesterday, resume. In the resume, you will create a one column called architectures. Which architectures you are learning? MVC architecture, LCRP architecture, and JVM architecture. You are including this column. If this column there means he is HK product. And definitely will call for the interview. What is this LCRP? Everybody know MVC, everybody know JVM. The terminology they know, but nobody knows LCRP. What is this LCRP? Because why other people don't know? This is invented by Mr. HK. Then to know what is that LCRP, you will be called for the interview. And next, in that interview, if you anybody there, my student, your senior, he will call Amma, he is my HK product. Come on, call for the interview. Okay, the next point. If interviewer ask a question, can I call main method? What do you say? Yes, possible. You must add the last word, mashallah word. What is that? After all, it is also a method, we can call, no problem. With that word, after all, it is also a method, we can call. Immediately people catch you, Amma, you are HK product. Clear? Now, shall I do R&D on this statement now? Compiled successfully and then executed successfully, we understood. Now I'm going to write something. Observe. Here, I am removing 5. In place of 5, I'm writing 0. Is it allowed? Three questions are there. First question, how to call main method. Okay, right. How can I call main method? Mr. Huai Y8 2019 has raised wonderful, beautiful question. Object string should be anything. Anything. You are a boy or girl? You are a boy or girl? Should I call you boy or girl? Anything? Yarabuji. How should I call you? Boy or girl? Anything? If you are because you are a boy, I must call you boy. If you are a girl, I should call you girl. Are you catching my point? I cannot call you anything, na? Because you born as a boy, I should call you boy. Because you born as a girl, I should call you as a girl. Here main method is parameter string array. So you must call by passing string array only. How can I take anything, Rabbi? If you take int, compiler will throw error. Matching is not there, na? If you create here int, then you should call with that int. I told you again and again, telling before raising question, use brain. Then don't make your brain a dummy brain. Don't continue with the BTech brain. Try to continue with HK brain. Change your brain thinking. And now tell me, Baba, I'm writing 0. 0 means what the meaning of it? Create a new string array object with 0 locations. Okay, allowed. Empty array object is created, compiled, and then go to command prompt. Compile Java B. Output is coming B main, A main. Now the question, can I use here -5? Okay, can I use here -5? Come on. Can I use here -5? Can I use here -5? Possible or not possible? Not possible. No, not possible. Compiler software will throw error. Compiler software throw error? No. Compiler doesn't throw any error. Compiler doesn't throw error. Okay, right. So JVM will throw error. Okay, Mr. Lokesh has immediately sent a question. Why, sir? How much fast he is in typing? Typing is very fast. -5, is it allowed? The moment I say not allowed, tuck, send the message. Why, sir? How much fast no he is in typing? He's showing his typing skills, but not thinking skills. Think Babu, think Babu. Why you are asking, Rabbi? I'm not your servant, Babu. I'm not your slave. You try to think, Rabbi. You are here people to become software engineers. Mr. Lokesh, tell me, I am trying to give you minus 5,000 rupees. Can you take? Give me minus 5,000 rupees. Now brain working. And now go on to bring a minus 5 chairs. Go on to bring minus 5 chairs. Go on to bring. Try to think when I'm giving some statement, why it is not allowed. Try to give the time to your mind to think. Don't give user hands. Stay away from the keyboard. Stay away from the keyboard. Tell me now. Minus 5 meaning is what? Size. Create an array with minus 5 locations. How? JVM confused. Compiler is not creating array memory. Compiler is just checking okay, value is allowed or not allowed. JVM is coming into picture, trying to create minus 5 locations, and it confused. Array tumri fellow, how can I create minus 5 locations? Dirty fellow. Okay, from which world you are run? Okay, it is scolding like anything, and then compiler doesn't throw any error. JVM is throwing an exception. JVM throwing an exception. Read that exception. Negative array size exception. Negative java.lang.negative array size exception minus 5. Minus 5 cannot be used as a array size. All you people understand? Now I'm repeating the question. Question number 1. Can I call main method by myself? What is your answer? Yes, we can call. Okay, second point. What is the syntax to call main method? Class name dot main of new string of one positive 0 or positive int number. 0 or positive int number. Okay, next question. Can I pass 0? Yes. Can I pass negative number? No. If you pass negative number, no compile time error, but we will get exception. Negative array size exception we will get. Okay, now I am giving 5 only. 5 location array created. Here I am removing a dot, sir. What happened? Tell me. Fast, make it fast. I'm removing here class name dot. I removed class name dot. What happened? Tell me. Any compile time error? Any compile time error? No compile time error. I told you, if I don't use a reference here, what the meaning of it? This method call belongs to same class method. And now in the same class, main method available or not? Yes. Matched. Main with parameter matched. So no compile time error, compile successfully. If I run this program, Babu, confusion masters, are you there? If you run this program, Java B, what happened? Apply your thoughts. If you run Java B, what happened? JVM go to B class. As per its duty, it is calling main method. Okay, then it's going inside. B main displayed on the console. Then going down, main of new string of 5. Do you have any other class reference? No. Then it becomes same class reference. Now it is coming and calling. B main again displayed. Okay, again main, again called. B main displayed, again called. B main displayed, again called. B main displayed, again called. B main displayed. Tell me now, it become Rangul Ratna now? Giant wheel, Rabai, giant wheel. You know, in childhood, have you played this game? Moving hands vertical and then rounding yourself. After 5 minutes rounding, your eyes are rounding and then you fell down. Did you play this game? This concept is called recursive method call. What this concept is called? Recursive method call. It is not infinite loop. It is called recursive method call. If you call a method recursively, finally, after some time execution, we will get an exception. Okay? Finally, we will get one exception. It is not infinite loop, Baba. Infinite loop is different. It's called recursive method call. Keep on running. Look at that. We got error. So now if you scroll up, the error you can see. What the error JVM throwing, you can see error. Go up. What the error? Look at the error. What the error? Stack overflow error. Okay, stack java.lang stack overflow error. Stack overflow. Have you heard bottle overflow? Bottle overflow. This is the bottle. And you put under tap. Okay, now you release the water. Water is coming. Filling. Then still you not stop the bottle. Then water, what happened? Overflow. Water overflow. Similarly, a program in Java is executed by a concept called what? Stack. Program is executed in Java by using a concept called what? Stack. When you call a method, the method first loaded inside the stack under. What the first method you call? Main. Okay. Now the main method is calling main method. Then one more memory created main. Observe. When you call main method in its own body, again one more method main created. Now the question, second time main method logic is loaded in the stack by destroying the previous memory? No, without destroying the previous memory, now the new memory is creating. Now here if small hole is there, let's say, small hole is there, the water coming in the bottle will going out. Okay, then water overflow will come here? No, water overflow will not come. Okay, whereas here also, if you every time memory destroying and then new method is loading, you never get a stack overflow. Without destroying previous memory, you are trying to create one more new memory, main. Okay, one more new memory created, main. Again you call one more new memory without destroying the previous method. Now you are calling again one more new method, main. Okay, without destroying the previous memory, you call again one more method, main. Tell me, now inside main, again you are calling main. There is no space for the main method to load and execute. Then we got error what? Stack overflow error. So can I call a method inside its own body? Yes. Can we call a method in its own body? Yes, but we will get stack overflow error. So several times, many of the times the method is executed and finally we'll get stack overflow error. Why you are getting stack overflow error? Because the stack is keep on filling by method calls and method logic without destroying the previous method logic from the stack. New again the method logic loaded. Stack memory is a finite memory. At some point of the time, method execution purpose, there is no space in the stack. Hence, we got stack overflow error. This is a simple point. Everyone got clarity, I hope? Everyone got clarity? All right. I want to ask one last question now. One last question. First question I have asked what? Can I create a main method in all classes in single Java file? Yes. Second question I have asked. Tell me, can I call main method by myself? Yes. Now, third question I want to ask you. Keep on, try to understand. Third question I want to ask you, understand. Can I overload main method? Can I overload main method? What the meaning of overload? Defining multiple methods with the same name, na? What the meaning of overload? Defining multiple methods with the same name with different parameters, right? Defining multiple methods with the same name with different parameters is called what? Method overloading. Can I overload main method? That is my question. Is it possible to overload main method? Yes, we can. Why not? You can. Here you take string only, remove that square bracket. Here you take int. Here you take string regular. A main of, this is what parameter method? String. Array, main method is after all a method. I told you, no. Main method is after all a method, Rabbi. When you overload your own method, why can't you overload main method? Confusion again started. You are confusion master, na? That's why confused. Sir, JVM confusion, sir. Which main method called? That's why I told you. That's why I told you algorithm you need to follow. Think like a compiler and JVM. When you call a method, compiler and JVM doesn't consider only the name. Consider signature. Tell me, what is the which main method is Java known main method? Java known main method is what is the syntax? Which parameter? Which parameter is Java known parameter? String array is the Java known main method parameter. JVM knows which main method? Main of string array parameter. Other two methods compiler ignores. JVM ignores. Confusion. My name is Confusion Master. Java C confusion.java and Java, which class A? No confusion to the JVM. JVM go into that class searching for where is my main method? Where is my main method? Main of string array? No. Main of string array? Yes. Go and execute display output. Khatam. Fasak. Concept is fasak. Erabailo. Babulu. Understood? All you understood? Now the question. So then how can I execute other main methods, sir? How can I execute other main methods? Now these are the normal methods. How can I execute? Call them. Main of. Give one name. Give one string. Double quotes. Hurry, I am giving. Double quotes, hurry. Tell me now. Main method JVM call main of string array. And now main of hurry is called by ourselves. And then look at that. Confusion.java compiled. Confusion cleared. I hope finally. And look at that. Two main methods are executed. It is called by JVM. It is called by ourselves. How can I call this main method? Can anybody help me the syntax? That is a normal method as array parameter method. Main of new int of 5. You can give any number. 5 is my lucky number. Okay. 5 is my favorite number. Now compiled. Execute. Output coming. Main of int array. I hope all you people got clarity. All people got clarity on the topics. Sir, where I can find all these points? These many points you told. How can I remember, sir? Open material. Volume 1A textbook. Open material. Volume 1A printed copy material textbook. Okay. First chapter at last pages. From last pages, if you move before pages, you'll find all questions what I explained very clearly. Below I have given list of interview questions on basic Java programming. Can we create empty Java file? Can we create empty class? Is it mandatory that Java file name and class name must be same? When should Java file name and class name must be same? In a single Java file, how many classes we can define? In a single Java file, multiple classes, what the Java file name? In a single Java file, how many public classes we can create? If we compile multiple classes Java file, how many dot class files are created? How can you execute all classes? What is meant by user defined method, predefined method? Okay, go down. Look at that. Every point clearly explained. Every point very clearly explained. Okay, can we create in a single Java file? Can we define multiple main methods in all classes? Yes. Can we call main method explicitly? Yes. What does happen if we call negative number? What does happen if we call main method same class? Okay. The next, what is the output from the below program? Can we overload main method? Up to page number 43. Okay, so go and read and practice. Tomorrow I will torture you with a small project development. Okay, I'm expecting all you tomorrow should come with a full practice. So if you are coming tomorrow class also with a half brain, then we cannot complete the syllabus as per schedule. Today as per schedule I need to complete all these 3 points but unable to complete. So if you are not practicing, not cooperating, then we cannot go as per the schedule. Okay, it will delay one day more delaying. So expecting all the people to practice and come to the class with clear knowledge. Don't think like a Gajanish. Okay, don't think like a Gajanish. Should not forget the one point when new point is coming. Old point should not forget. Old points you have to apply. Next, I am telling you, don't focus on typing the questions. Try to focus on thinking. If I give one point, immediately you should connect that point to the previous point. Every point I cannot talk in the class, because if every point I'm revising, I cannot complete the syllabus. I need to teach you 2000 papers of the material. Okay, 2000 papers of the material. 2000 papers of the material I have to teach you. So that's why please try to participate. Let catch my point. Right. Page number 43. Before all points are there, please go and try. Thank you. That's all for the day. See you tomorrow. I have now another batch. While practicing, if you got any questions, you can post in our Facebook group. In our Facebook group, your seniors will help you. Raja Kannan already had done experiment. Okay. After doing all experiments, only decisions will be taken. Blindly will not be taken decisions. Okay. Already done experiments. This is not my first batch, no. Which material? Volume 1, Baba. In Google Drive. In Google Drive already shared, na? 6 books are there, right? In Google Drive already 6 books are there, na? 6 materials are there, right? Volume 1A textbook. Printed material, not Xerox material, printed material. Bye. That's all for the day.